As you see, we have downloaded the full version of Minecraft completely legally, and to show to you that it's not a demo, we're going to single player, create new world, and join the game. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Discover Software. Today we are going to learn how to get Minecraft for free for PC and mobile. And the crazy part is that it's completely legal. So the first step is opening Google Chrome and then pasting the link I'm going to leave you in the description. This page name is T-Launcher and it is for Windows, Apple and Linux and for smartphones. So if you want to download it in your phone, just click this little icon here. But firstly, we're going to learn how to download it for Windows. So when you click download T-Launcher, just select platform and I'm going to choose Windows. And as you see, a download begins. As you see, the download is done and you just open it. And it says that it's not verified, so we are going to install anyway. And it says welcome, so we are going to click continue, accept, continue, and it starts to install. Continue. As you see, it's done and you'll click continue. It says that it's completed and you just click complete and then install. As you see, it's successfully installed and in the desktop is T-Launcher. You are going to open it. So we're going to allow access. And here is the T-Launcher page. So you have some options, for example, how to play, help, install skin, and here is tlauncher.org. Here is your username because you'll need to have an account and the releases, but I'm going to choose the latest release. Here you have T-Launcher mods where you can find guns, you can find maps, resource packs, but I'm going just to install the normal Minecraft and I'm going to click install. It says that you'll need to put, oh, I forgot. Okay, and then install. Hello back, and as you see, it's 99%, so we are going to wait only a bit before it completes. Now, as you see, the download is finished and the T-Launcher automatically closes. And now, Minecraft will automatically be open. As you see, we have downloaded the full version of Minecraft completely legally, and to show to you that it's not a demo, we're going to single player, create new world, and join the game. And check this, it has no time limit, it's the full version. You can play, you can do whatever you want. So thank you for watching this video guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and peace out.